4 celebrities you didn't know have a criminal history. Winona Writer. In 2001, the Stranger Things star was charged with shoplifting from Saks in Beverly Hills. It really turned her life upside down. Tim Allen. Tim tried smuggling 650 grams of you know what I mean through an airport. That much will cause more than a little buzz. They sentenced him to life in prison, but there was a snake in that courtroom, and the snake was Tim. In exchange for ratting out all the other dealers in his circle, he only had to serve 2 years of time. Matthew Mcconaughey. All right, the most chill criminal of all time. In 1999, he came home one night and decided to smoke some wacky tobacco, get naked, and play the bongos. He was playing the bongos so loud at 2:30 a.m., cops came and arrested him buck naked for disturbing the peace. And perhaps the most dangerous of all, Bill Gates. That's right, evil Bill Gates couldn't help himself from getting arrested not once, but twice. Warning, this one is pretty messed up. Before Microsoft, Bill Gates was arrested 2 times for driving without his license. I'm glad he learned his lesson though, and he hasn't made that mistake ever again. Probably because he has private drivers that take him everywhere now. We must thank those private drivers every day for keeping us safe from this dastardly menace.
Welcome to LawyerCon. Law by Mike? Right this way.
Hi, Mike Mandel, I'm on the list.
Nice try, but I just let the real Law by Mike in right before you.
Identity theft can happen to anyone, even me. Here's 3 things you can do right now to prevent it. Number 1, protect your online data. Use virus protection firewalls and change your passwords frequently. Number 2, don't leave a paper trail.
Wow, Law by Mike's credit info.
Shred your bills and statements before throwing them away. Number 3, check your credit score. You should be monitoring your credit health anyway, but if someone stole your identity, it's a good place to find out sooner rather than later. These 3 states are most likely to put you in jail when you're innocent. Coming in third, New York with over 280 exonerations in the last 30 years. Big Apple? More like Bad Apple. Number 2, Illinois with over 300 in the last 30 years. Pro, they're finally free. Con, they're still in Illinois. And number 1, everything's bigger in Texas, with more than 363 over the last 30 years. And those numbers are just for the people set free. Think of how many innocent people must still be in jail. Oh, you thought this was a fun little video? Nah, I just tricked you into thinking about a moral dilemma we face in this country.
Here's some weird laws in LA you've probably broken. In Glendale, it's illegal to hop into or out of a moving car. It's also just stupid. In Long Beach, you're prohibited from storing anything other than cars in your garage. So for all you surfer bros out there, you're gonna have to move those boards. Mistakes I see people make in court all the time. I can't tell you how many times I've seen people dressed like they just got out of bed. Wear a suit. Otherwise, the judge will misjudge you. Think about it. This is your chance to put your face behind a case number. What do you want your first impression to be? Legal loophole that could save you some money. When you get a traffic ticket, they pick a day that works best for the cop. You don't want that. Most states let you change the date 1 time. So what you're going to do is call up the court and ask to change the date. But these dates also work for the cop. So nicely ask the clerk for a date they didn't recommend. This will increase your chances of the cop not showing up and possibly your case getting dismissed.
Hey, I'm Pickle Mike. Ha, turned myself into a dead meme. I wish somebody would have told me that this would be cringy before I committed. Say, were there any legal tips in my video you think someone should hear before it's too late? Let's make a deal. Share this with a friend, and I'll get you more legal tips.
Ooh, a pickle, yum.
No, it's me, Mike. Don't eat me. I know you can hear me. Don't pretend I'm not a talking pickle.